Hello. Welcome sa ating BL at VTL. Visual. Nagsasalpod. Taga-taga pa sa kuya. Okay. Comparison to, no?
So we're doing a BL comparison.
Manga and live action. Yes. Ang title is Life Senju Nobokura or Life as from the Line. So, the serious Ito and the childlike Nishi met by chance during a single-player game of White Line game. On the way home from school, falling in love, Ito gets frustrated over the fact that they only get to rendezvous on the White Line and suddenly kisses Nishi. From high school, college, and then to adulthood. A deeply moving work depicting the lives of two men who are madly in love with unchanging feelings within changing realities.
Yes.
So as mentioned, bali pahapyaw lang to.
Oh, sige.
So as mentioned, una silang nagkakilala. So itong manga, it's showing yung age nilang dalawa.
Started at 17.
It's, parang,
Sorry na.
it's showing their age nung kung kailan sila una nakita. Like, at their points in life, it's showing the age. So, they met. Hindi sa they met.
Crossed lines.
They crossed paths. They crossed lines when they were 17. So, pareho silang naglalakad sa white line. Yung usually nasa gilid na sa kalsada. Oo. So, they're both thinking of scenarios to stay in the white line. Oh. So, kay Nishi, which is si Ito is the semi. Si Nishi, ang kanya, sharks. So, if he falls on the white line, he'll be eaten by sharks. Huge sharks. Ito
Kulang.
si Ito, spiky eyes. So, kapag nalaglag siya, he'll be stuck. He'll be
Punctured. Punctured naman talaga.
I guess. So, basta matutusok siya. Mas-stake through siya.
Sorry, hindi. Hindi ka naman word na nag-bet ako sa sarili.
May stake ko naman siya. Just mean stake.
Example,
True.
steaks.
Through. Like, through and through. So, basta matutuhog siya. Pag nalaglag siya sa. So,
Scored.
skewered. Okay. Alright, so yun. At 17 yun, nung una, syempre first time meet nila, ganyan, okay. Tapos, nung paghihiwalay nila dahil both sila, ayaw nilang malaglag, ayaw nilang bumaba sa white line, nag-hold hands sila and then switch. You know?
Ayun, pag naglalakad ka sa plank.
Oo.
And then you swap with someone, kukuha ka isa to. Mas masayaw ganun.
So, ganun yung ginawa nila. So, from then on, lagi nang ganun yung ginagawa nila. Kaya lang, ito si Ito, parang feeling niya na it's not enough. Na puro ganun lang yung gagawin nila na magkikita lang sila for a bit and then magsiswitch and then alis. So, parang they're really looking forward to meeting each other, ganyan. Tapos, one time, si Ito, hindi na nakapagpigil ng lolo mo. Ayaw niyang umalis agad. Si Nishi, he kissed him. They were 17. He kissed him. Kasi nakara hindi nagpakita si Ito dahil nahiya siya. And then, inubangan siya everyday ni Nishi. Pero, hindi siya dumadating. Tapos, syempre, yung mga usual na bata na naglalakad, elementary students na naglalakad, tinanong na siya na bakit yun dyan everyday? Anong ginagawa mo dyan everyday? Ngayon, sabi nito ni Nishi, he's waiting for a friend. Tapos sabi niya, sabi ng mga bata, then why not just follow where it goes? Para nga naman mapuntahan niya yung destination ni kung saan nanggagaling si Ito. And nahanap niya. And nakita niya na going the opposite direction ito si Ito. Nagalit siya. Sabi niya, bakit ganun? Bakit ka pupunta sa opposite direction? And then, tas parang ang sabi niya, what happened to you? You died. You fell and you died. So, sabi niya ganun. Parang sa isip ito, yun ang yun ka word, hindi yun dahil sa hinalikan kita, ganyan-ganyan. And then parang ano lang, dahil dito, sinabi ni Ito kay Nishi na, I don't want to be behind you or in front of you. I want to be beside you. And then sa isip, sabi ni Nishi, okay, then we'll have to think of another scenario. So, other stories. So, next chapter, ano na sila, 19. So, they're in college already. So, nung nag-college na sila, same pa din, mag-jowa na sila nito. And, nung 19 sila, may unang nangyari sa kanila. Kasi, every single time they would kiss. And then, uuwi na si Ito. At one point, parang, nagalit na si Nishi, nasa loob sila ng bahay. Hindi ko alam kung kanino bahay. Hindi pala, may isang part doon na parang tinanong siya ng kaklase niya na, why do you keep walking the same line? Like, why do you keep walking on that line? Isang pagkakasabi ni Nishi, when I follow it like this, I feel like it will lead me somewhere amazing. Yeah. So, nakalimang bahay ba sila?
Bayan.
Bahay. Oh.
Apartment.
Kay Nishi yata ang apartment to. Hindi sinabi eh. So, nagalit si Nishi kasi they would kiss, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, you're always stopping. So,
Hindi siya nagalit dito.
si Nishi. Nagalit si Nishi kasi sabi niya na, you're always starting something and then ending it on your own without considering my feelings. At parang sabi niya, lalo na kapag maghihiwalay na sila sa tren. Sabi niya pa na, alam mo ba kung gano'n nakakahiya kung dahil nasa tren ako, yung in front ko may something going on. So, pa nahihiya siya ba, hard on, ganyan-ganyan. So, ang pagkakasabi, sabi yata nito ni Ito na, so you're not against it. Yeah, so you don't dislike or you're not feeling disgusted by it. Sabi niya. So, when did I ever say that I disliked it? Sabi niya ganyan. So, nung nag-ano pa rin sila, nung kinikis na siya ni at that time, nung nagalit siya, naggawa siya ng line. Gamit ang tape. So, gamit yung tape, sabi niya, if you cross this line, you're going to get electrocuted than 1 billion volts. And siyempre, to continue further, sabi niya, I can't cross this line, so you have to go to me instead. So, nagpunta sa kanya si Nishi, tumuwid si Nishi sa kanya doon sa line. So, yun, yun na, at 19, may nangyari sa kanila first time. So, college sila 19 eh. So, by 21, they're thinking of their own career path na, ganyan-ganyan. So, the college graduate. And then, they've decided everything, blah, blah, blah.
College graduating pa lang.
Graduating pa lang sila na, kasi na,
Kailangan
they're thinking of career path. Itong si Nishi, wala pa siyang maisip. Hindi niya alam kung ano gagawin niya sa buhay. And then, 25, they've already started working for companies. Siyempre. So, nagsabi sa kanya? Hindi, ganun lang eh. Ganun lang. So, yung sa 21 kasi parang pinapakita lang na yung in love ba din sa kanya si Ito, like, something, ganyan. Okay. So, 25, nagsabi si Nishi na gusto niyang out of town. So, they're both working as regular office workers. So, they went on a trip. And then, nagsabi si Nishi kay Ito na, I want to quit the company. Kasi he wants to study screenplay writing. So, support naman to si Ito, na finally, nakaisip na si Nishi na, kung anong gusto niya sa buhay, finally. Kasi, at 21, he was still undecided kung anong gusto niya gawin. So, sabi ni Nishi na, it's obvious that you would actually be good at it because since the beginning, you were really good at creating scenarios in your head to regarding do sa game nila in a way. So, hindi pala. Doon sa 21 pala, very eager magtrabaho si Ito. So, sabi ni Nishi na, buti ka pa, ganyan. Tapos sabi ni Ito na, the only reason why I really want to hurry because when we're adults and when we're able to work, we can live together. Yun. So, 25, ganon, di okay nga. At 28. So, 28, si Ito still working with the same company. Tapos, ang siste, ito na. So, my client of some sort si Ito na nagsabi sa kanya na since we're done with business, I like you. Parang would you consider me? Something yan. Tapos ito, nararamdaman na ni Nishi na nilalamig sa kanya si Ito. So, he's trying to do something about it. So, sinasabi niya na, let's go on a trip, blah, 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 this weekend, blah, blah, blah. Pero, blow off siya ni Ito. Sabi, I have something to do that weekend, ganyan. And then, some other days, they would have sex, pero, right after that, I'm sleepy, blah, blah, blah. Ganyan. So, let's just sleep, blah, blah. And then, other times, nakita ni Ito na may pamphlet si Nishi ng Alaska Travel, sabi niya. Sabi niya,
Aurora.
So, Alaska. So, sabi niya na, not now, but someday, I want, in the future, I want both of us to go there, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, sabi ni, I can't promise. And then, sinabi niya na, I want to break up. So, syempre, ito si kuya mo, iyak-iyak. Tapos, ang meron pa palang Oo, may nag-isip pala kung maganda pa. 25, nung 25 siya, nung nasa travel sila, na nawala yung
lighter niya.
Lighter na gold. Tapos, syempre, nung umaga, nagulat siya, nagising siya. Wala si Nishi sa tabi niya. Tapos yung pala, na-realize niya na baka lumabas at hinanap yung zippo. Tapos nung nakita niya si Nishi, look, I found gold. I wonder what we can buy with it. So, syempre, like, as usual, pretend, ganyan. Tapos, nung nag-break up na sila, nag-break up sila, and then, parang, syempre, iyak sa kuya, sabi niya na, I want to break up. Sabi niya, sabi pa nito ni Ito na, the two of us, do we even have a future if we stay together? So, parang sabi niya na parang walang kwenta itong ginagawa natin. At to begin with, this relationship, we shouldn't have taken it seriously. Parang ganun yung pagkakasabi niya. Getting attached to this relationship was a mistake. Sabi niya, sabi niya, gusto niya ng mag-normal na buhay with her wife and kids, family, ganyan. So, if we think about the future, even you would want to have a normal marriage and family, right? So, ganyan, sabi niya. Tapos naghiwalay sila ng landas. Paglabas ng bahay naglalakad si Nishi sa labas. Siyempre, pinafollow niya ang line as usual. And he came to a dead end. So, nung naputol yung linya, wala na siyang lalakaran pa. He really cried. And then, skip to 31. He's already married. Wala, 31. 31 sila.
Okay.
So, yeah, 31. So, Ito married the girl na nagsabi sa kanya na, I like you, could you give me a chance or something? Or do I have a chance? Ganyan. He married her. And then, tawag dito, si Nishi trying to move on, still trying to move on, would be meeting guys for casual. But then,
Laging, ayan, may naglalakad sa line.
so, pero para sa kanya, parang it's obvious na walang pumapalit sa puso niya. Ganon. Tapos, tawag dito, parang nare-realize at 31 pa lang to, parang nare-realize ni Ito na parang mali yung desisyon ginawa niya. So, so, like every time, at 31 pa lang. So, naghiwalay sila ng 28. Hindi ko alam, hindi pinakita kung kailan kinasal, 29, 30, whatever. Pero at 31, he's dreading to go home. He doesn't want to go home. So, he's spending all his nights outside. Wala naman siya kinakalantaring iba, pero nakaupo lang siya sa restaurant, sa bar, or sa park. Waiting for time to pass by. 33 happens. Yeah, 32 happens, same routine. Ganyan. And then, one night, he stayed outside until really late, and he was thinking na he needs to go home. And then sabi niya na parang parang naisip niya na parang at natama yung desisyon ginawa niya na makipag-break kay Nishi. At tapos sabi niya na if he found something more important than me, if we had to be separated, I don't think I could continue being with myself. So parang siguro ang thinking niya at this point na tama yung desisyon kung hiniwalayan ko si Nishi kasi baka ma-realize niya na ayaw niya sa akin, hiwalayan niya ako. Pinangunahan niya in a way na maling decision, I guess, kasi they didn't really talk about anything. So, naghiwalay silang ganyan. So, umuwi siya. Umaga na. Tapos, nung pag-uwi niya, iyak siya ng iyak dun sa babae. Doon siya, hono ka. Iyak siya ng iyak. Sabi niya, I'm sorry, ganyan. At 33, divorced na sila. So, they're going through divorce at 33. And then, he tried looking for Nishi at 33. So, nagpunta siya sa dating bahay. And wala na doon yung bahay. Tinry niya tawagan yung dating number. Wala na, cut na yung line. And then at 35, he kind of gave up looking for him. And then nakita niya yung ad sa bus stop ng Alaska trip. So, he decided to go. And as luck would have it, they met each other sa Alaska. So, syempre, nung una, nagkabungguan sila. Nagkatali ko rin sila ang bungguan. Nung una, syempre, nag-try, umalis si Nishi, Yuki Nishi. Sabi niya, let me go, ganyan, tapos sinapak ng gano'n. Pero, sabi pa rin ito ni, ni Ito na, I love you, ganyan, ganyan. Ito yung part na pinaka hindi nagugustuhan ng iba. Kasi parang, ang rupok naman ni Kuya. Ang bilis. Wala man lang, hindi man lang pinahirapan, or hindi man lang pinag-suffer ng konti. Na hindi, 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 hindi man lang ba hinayang magnilay-nilay, mag get down on his knees or something like that. So parang, sabi niya lang tali ito, I will not let you go anymore, blah, blah, blah. Oo. Sa ibang tao, sa ibang nagbasa, sabi nila na, yun lang sabi niya na, I'm sorry, tapos okay na. Ganun na yon. Di ba pa? After how many years? So 36, they met again at 36. They broke up at 28 after 8 years. I'm sorry lang sila na uli. Di ba? So yun yung parang pinaka dislike ng mga tao. Oo. And then at like nung nandun pa rin sila sa Alaska, they talk. Bumalik sila sa kwarto ni Nishi. And then nag-usap sila doon na dito. Nag-usap sila. Hindi, sabi ni Nishi sa kanya na I've been trying really hard to forget you, ganyan. And time and time again, parang it's still always the same. You're still
the one.
Oh, you're still the one. You're still the one. Chu, ganyan. So, parang ang sabi niya na, let's just do it one more time. And then I'll forget you. That's it. That's the end. Sabi ni Nishi. Na, just one more. Tapos iyak siya ng iyak na, sabi niya, since we're here, let's do it one last time. I might just be able to forget about you, Akira. So, iyak siya, iyak niya. And then sabi nito ni Akira, na, I will not let you go. I won't hurt you anymore. I promise, blah, blah, blah. And then, of course, may nangyari ulit sa kanila. And then, nung after a few, hindi pinakita kung gaano katagal, pero they decided to be together. So they're going to live with each other. May promise ring na. Totoo na yun, may promise ring na eh. So yun, may promise ring na. So syempre, habang naglilipat bahay sila, syempre ito si Nishi, sabi niya na, what should we do about the appliances we both have? Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos sabi nito ni ito pagkakasabi niya, I'll get rid of mine. So, gas range and refrigerator and everything ganyan. So, and then pagdating nun sa refrigerator, ang sabi ni Nishi, don't you have a big family type refrigerator? The one you chose with your ex-wife. Okay, ganyan. So, si Ito, syempre panic-panic siya na, hindi, masyadong inefficient yun, masyadong malaki, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Tapos sabi nito ni Ito, let's just use yours. Sabi nito ni Nishi na, no, mine's too small, it's for singles only. So, sabi niya, what should I do? It's my fault that Yuki has become a bit weird. So, ito pa, sabi niya, since we're starting a new life, sabi nito ni Nishi, let's use it, it's wasteful. So, that way, you'll be reminded every time you use it, how you made two people cry because of your own lack of virtue. Sabi niya ganun. So, and then, ang next na pinakita at 54. 54 na sila. Time skip ng malala. So, dalawang volume to actually. Pero yung second volume, wala pang nagta-translate. Wala. Hindi nagda-download ng
Scanlations.
Hindi, kahit yung Yung raw. Kahit yung raw, wala pang nagda-download ng raw. Walang nag-upload ng raw. So, but I saw like a previews pages. Yung ano nila, yung in between life. 24, blah, blah, blah. So, but,
Feelers.
in a way. So, at 54, pinakita yung age nila. They're both 54 na. They're living together. Old, of course. Tapos, tawag dito, dahil dito, itong si Nishi, he's worried about something. So, he's trying to keep it a secret. Pero nung pinakita yung libro na binabasa niya, erectile dysfunction. So, that's at 54. So, it means they're still active. So, of course, they sit together, ganyan-ganyan. 66. It seems like, 68, it seems like may health issue si Ito. So, they've been going to the doctor, ganyan-ganyan. And then, 69, si Ito, sa ano na siya, sa hospital na siya nagsistay. So, at 69. Tapos, pinakita doon na binabantayan siya ni Nishi, ganyan. So, it's been, wala sinabi kung gano'ng katagal, pero, you must be tired coming here every day. So, ganyan. Sabi niya kay,
Talaga ba yan? Tete no. Di ba ako tapos?
ano yung habang naglalakad ulit tayo as usual? Kasi, alam mo,
26.
mahaba siya. Tapos at 20, nung sinabihan niya si na uwi ka, bili mo ko apples. Gusto ko matikman. I want to eat you crookedly peeled ones. So, sabi niya gano'n. Tapos, so,
Magaling magpalatin sa
di lumabas siya. Bumili siya ng sabi niya bumili siya ng apple. Sabi niya, then see you tomorrow, Yuki. Sabi niya, it's a promise. Sabi ni Ito, it's a promise. So, tapos na naginip si
No. Biyak mo siya mga kapatid.
sino naginip si Ito na magkasama sila. So, hindi bumili ng apple si si Nishi. Pabalik niya sa ospital. Patay na si Patay na si Ito. He lived to be until 86.
96?
86.
Pero alone na lang siya.
And siya, may housekeeper siya, ganyan. So, naglilinis yung housekeeper niya, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, nakita yung, script niya ng isang movie yata. So, sabi nung ate girl na naglilinis na Ito-san, si Ito-san? Hindi si Nishi.
Yan na mo, baliktad eh.
Hindi, nung una talaga si Nishi, sabi niya gusto niya mag-screenplay.
Oh.
Pero ito sabi, Ito-san wrote the screenplay for this movie. That's so cool. So, how about that? Aren't I amazing? So, baka mali yung yung translation. 82. 82 na pala, hindi 86. 82. So, nung kinagabihan nun, kasi nakita niyo yung singsing nilang dalawa, hindi niya na may suot sa daliri niya kasi mapayat na nga daw masyado. Hindi, payat na masyado. It's too thin. So, eto si ate girl, binigyan siya ng necklace na doon siya nilagay yung singsing. Tapos,
Namatay siya in his sleep mo.
oo, namatay siya in his sleep din. Kasi, sabi nung parang he's too weak, tapos, nung kinagabihan, ubos siya ng ubos. So, dinala na siya sa ospital ni ate girl. So, pagdating niya sa ospital, doon na siya inabutan. So, pagising niya, syempre bata uli siya at 17. So, bukas siya ng pinto, andun may line. Then, tumakbo siya ng line and then nakita sila. Yun yung ending.
Oh, so it's my turn. Plano pala
May extras. Na yung extras lang naman, pinakita kong yung timeline talaga nila. So, at both nasa tiyan pa lang sila nung mother. Oo. Magkakilala yung parents, ay yung mothers. Nagkasabay sila sa ano. Oo, sa OB. So, tapos, at 11 years old, ay hindi, at 11 nga ba? Yeah, at 11, nagkasama sila sa school. Magkaklase pala sila. Thank you. Tapos parang doon na pinakita.
Tapat ng camera. Nakakaloka.
Doon na pinakita yung progression nila from that age. Oo.
Parang
Oo lang.
parang very fated.
Oo. Yun na yung ending. Ah, sige. Yun na yung ending.
My turn.
Wait lang. Hindi ko alam kung minis mo talaga yung mga parts kasi sabi mo mabilisan lang. Pero I missed quite a lot. Or at least, dun sa napanood ko. Wait. So, start sila nung high school, syempre, no? Started high school. And, during that time, dito tayo. Dito tayo ulit. Dito ulit. Lang. Dikit lang nga rito ulit. Wait lang ah. Sa labas tayo ulit. Wait. So, okay na yun. Ito na naman ako. Lagi siya nawawala pag ialis ko eh. Kumalala ko sa ako nilalagay eh. Teka lang kayo ha. Matay lang kayo dyan.
Kasi sa mga pinagsusuksupin.
Oo nga.
Commercial break.
Ito. So, as I was saying, o doon lang tayo sa poste doon na pwede natin ito ipatong. Saan? Diyan no, yung pwede patungan na poste. Pwede mababa lang. Anyway, so, di ba, sa story nga, nag-meet si Nishi at si Ito, si Akira at si Yuki at 17 because of the line nga. So, yun pa rin naman. And then, hindi mo na siguro binanggit to, hindi ko alam kung lumabas sa manga to. Nishi has two friends.
Walang friends na nabanggit.
Oh, really? Oh, sa manga, as a live action, he has two friends sa school. So, yun na nga. So, he has two friends at school and yung two friends na yun, syempre, boys will always be boys. Mahilig sa mga girls. And then, there was a point at school na there was a girl named Honoka,
Walang nabanggit.
Shiraishi, na nag-confess sa kanya.
Walang
But
nabanggit.
then, at that time, yun ang close sila ni Yuki, ni Nishi. So, he rejected her. So, nagulat yung dalawang friends niya, why? Ganyang peg. Kasi kung sabi niya, if that's us, we will not reject her. She's like the prettiest in school. Honoka Shiraishi name niya. Anyways, after that, so, come what's that?
19.
No, 21 nung may work na sila.
Ay, hindi walang 19?
Meron, skip ko na yung parehas. Skip ko na
Parehas
yung
lang.
parehas. No, actually not. 25, yung nagsa-start ng lumamig sa ano, that was because
Ay, hindi. 28 yung nag-start lumamig.
Hindi ba yun? Hindi, 25 muna. Nagkita ulit sila ni Honoka at the company. Naging, ano tawag doon? Pinirate si Honoka from another company to theirs.
Yun ang iba.
So, ang nangyari, kaya nga ito yung kinukwento ko part, no? So, ang nangyari, naging kohai niya si Honoka. So, they were okay, and ganyan-ganyan.
Around 28, si Honoka na-promote. Mas mataas na yung posisyon niya kay Ito. And this is where, after nung parang meet up nila na sabi, oh, congratulations, you got promoted. She said, I still like you.
Hindi
Would you
ganun.
consider me again this time? Would you consider me this time? Yun yun. Dun siya nang-start maglamig. Ang background nito is because back in college, laging actually, even before college, high school pa lang, bata pa lang, laging sinasabi niya sa kanya ng nanay niya, you should be like normal, may background, wala na ng background niya. Nilagyan nila ng background yung drama. Maybe. Kasi 17 and 19 pinakita to yung nanay niya, pinapakita. So yun, sinasabi lagi na you should just be normal, you should just study at a local college, work at a local company, should just work like a
live
normal
normal
life. Kasi ganito, yung ate niya,
may ate siya?
yes,
Walang pinakita.
ate siya, nag-aral sa Tokyo. Ay, no nanay, no, bakit ako kailangan sa Tokyo mag-aral, ganyan. So, yun. And then, at 28, si ate niya, nag-divorce naman.
Okay.
So, ayun. So, super, super nagalit yung parents kasi ba't ganun, ba't ganyan. So, yun siya. Tapos, sakto pa, yun yung nagsabi na sa kanya si Honoka to give her another chance.
Okay.
And then, during at that time, then busy na rin si Nishi kasi meron na siya mga screenplays sa radio.
Walang ganun.
Yun yung backstory nun. Screenplays sa radio. So, parang nawala na sila ng time for each other.
Walang pinakita.
Pero, mostly, yung nanlalamig, si Ito. Because nga, he wants a normal life. So, at nag-break sila ng 28. Yes. So, naghiwalay sila. May apartment na sila na tinutuluyan. The apartment was Ito's.
Okay.
Ang umalis si Nishi.
Yun,
Nag-move in si ate girl.
Hindi pinakita nag-moving.
Nag-move in si ate girl. Kinasal sila, syempre. Dun sa same apartment sila nakatira.
So, kaya siguro ayaw niyo umuwi.
No, matagal pa yun eh.
Hindi din sa sa 31.
At 31, hindi naman sa ayaw niya ng umuwi. Kaya lang nafe-feel niya, wala na siyang nafe-feel na happiness. Kasi yung nung 28, nung kinasal sila, magkasama na sila sa bahay nung girl. Hindi ko alam kung kinasal sila agad pero magkasama na sila sa bahay ng girl. Kasi sabi niya, this is how life should be. This is how a normal life should be.
Okay.
Yun yung mga litanya niya sa buhay noon. So at that time, hindi ko matandaan kung 31, 32. Basta siguro 32 na to. 32 na yung natatandaan ko. One night, yun yung nag-overnight siya outside. Anong nangyari, nasa park siya. Yung park na yun, yung usual pinupuntahan nila ni Nishi.
Hindi na. Walang
Sa palabas. Yun yung usual pinupuntahan nila ni Nishi. And then may isang swing doon, na doon sila madalas naglalaro, silang dalawa. So, nung gabi na yun, doon siya nagstay, nakaupo siya doon. Sabi niya, what would have happened in my life if I was with Nishi?
Wala na bang
Ganyan. So, umaga na siya talaga umuwi.
Yung pinakita lang doon, park bench lang talaga siya nakaupo.
Hindi siya bench eh. Mukha lang siyang bench, pero duyan, siso siya.
Hindi, yun. At park bench lang talaga. Yung siso part, pinakita yan sa extra. At 42, nakakita ng siso si Iton. Nadaan sila sa park si Iton. Umupo siya ganyan. Doon sa siso mismo, umupo siya ganyan. Tapos nakita siya ni Nishi. Sabi ni Nishi, biglang tumayo si Ito. Sabi niya na, no, I was just looking at it. Ganyan.
Nung bata pa sila nun eh, sa live action.
Hindi, 42.
Oo nga.
Di ba magkasama na sila sa bahay nun? So, at 42, they tried to play the siso.
So yun nga,
So,
sa live action, ginagawa na nila yan before. Gayang exact scene na yan Kaya nung nasa park siya na noon, nakita niya yung season na yun, yun lalo niya naisip. So pagdating niya sa bahay,
Pangit talaga.
Pangit, oo. Pagdating niya sa bahay, he asked for divorce. I'm sorry, sinabi niya na I'm in love with a man.
Walang sinabi ganyan.
Sinampay siya nung bonggang-bongga.
Wala rin ganyan
Sabi niya,
eksena.
ginanon siya, pinilihan siya, tapos ganyan ang peg. Tapos, ito matindi nun. So, yun na yun, nag-start na niyang hinahanap si Nishi, ganyan-ganyan. Siguro mga like a few months, or 33, yung patapos na yung divorce proceedings nila. So, tinawag niya si Honoka na everything's been submitted and all, ganyan. Sabi niya, I want a divorce party. You pay for everything.
Oh, yan. Nabanggit yan.
Ganyan. Nasa meeting siya noon. Sigaw siya ng sigaw kasi may kausap siya ng dalawa lalaki. Pagbalik niya doon, is everything okay? Yes, all good, all good. Wala nang reaction yung mga ano kasi tapang eh. So that's when he started looking, di ba? So habang hinaghahanap siya, di tinawagan yung phone number and all that. Also,
32 yan.
oh, basta yun. Also, ginawa niya rin is tinawagan niya yung mga production companies asking if Nishi Yuki works for them. So, ang dami niya nakausap na, yes, he worked for us, we know him, but we can't give you his information because it's private. Unless you're family, we can't give it to you. Ganon. So, then after that, yun na yun, yung nagpunta na sila
36.
yung poster nung, lakad na tayo. Yung poster basically nung, what do you call this? Nung Northern Lights, wala siya sa bus stop. Nasa company siya. Isa sa mga company na pupuntahan niya. Anyways, yun na yun. And then, so they went. No. Exact same thing that happened. Pero hindi sila magkaatasan. Nagkasalubong sila sa tumba. Si Nishi. Hindi ganon. Magkaharap sila, naglalakad ng tawiran sila dalawa. Kabunggo sila. Actually, yun yung ending. Kabungguan sila, and then, sinapak siya ni Nishi. But then he said, sorry, ganyan, and all that shit. I love you still, and all that crap. Tapos, sinabi sa akin ni Nishi, okay, I will not let you go anymore, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, yes. Oh, ikaw hawak. Mahirap eh. And then after that, yan pa talaga pinahawak mo Hindi mo magalaw yan. And then after that, pinakita na, hindi ko malala yung year eh. Pero they're living together again, older na. Pero 42 to.
Sige.
Mga ganun. Basta yun. And they're living together. Tapos sa apartment, nakita Hans nakahiga, meron ng kasing-sing. And then, nasa labas sila one time, nakita nila si Honoka, may baby na in a partner.
Oo, nakita nga yun. Nakita nila yun. Pero direto na. 52 na sila niya.
Basta yun yung pinaka-ending. Happy naman sila, pero yun yung ending nun, yes. Wala, kaya natuwa ako nung kwento mo yung old age nila. Hanggang doon lang yung kwento sa live action. Though, as always, binigyan ng backstory. Now, here's the thing. Diba, habang hinahanap niya palang si Nishi, wala to sa manga siguro. Habang hinahanap niya si Nishi, at 36-ish, kung ano man yung taon na yon, bago sila magkita sa Northern Lights, no? Yung ate niya, umuwi sa bahay nila. May kasamang Indian guy.
Okay.
Na she wants to marry because they love each other. Yung nanay niya, syempre galit na galit. Na, why don't you just marry a normal man? Be like Ito. He's like normal. Ganyan. E di, nagpantig na yung tenga niya. No, I'm not normal. I've already divorced. Hindi alam na siya divorce niya. Ano ka? So, gulat na gulat yung nanay. Why? Ganyan. Tapos sinabi niya rin na I'm in love with a man. Tapos sabi niya doon sa ate niya, sabi niya sa nanay, isn't an interracial couple more common than a gay man? More normal than a gay man? Or two men in love? Sabi niya ganyan. I've let go of someone I love because of the normalcy you taught me. Na kailangan normal ako, ganun. So, iyak yung nanay niya. Syempre, nagulat eh. Pero ang pinakamaganda doon, yung tatay niya biglang nagsalita. Sobrang tahimik ng tatay niya sa palabas eh.
Wala pa yun.
Ay, sa manga. Doon, agree lang na agree yung tatay sa sinasabi ng nanay. But this time magsalita, sabi niya, you go ahead and live your life the way you want it. Yun. And that's when yung umalis na siya papuntang Chorba. Tapos yung partner ng ate niya, na Indian, niyakap siya, thank you man, thank you. Iyak ng iyak. Kasi nga, tinatanggan ng bonggang-bongga ni mother. So, ayun. Yun yung mga wala sa manga. Then, nasa live action. Maybe nandun siya sa volume 2, we don't know. Kasi nga walang translation and all.
I don't think pareho sa volume 2 kasi yung movie kailan lumabas?
2021. Sorry.
Ang manga 2023.
Okay. So, kasi
Volume 2
napanood
manga.
ko na yung drama ng 2021. Tapos pinanood ko lang Sholi ngayon to refresh myself. Kasi ko parang familiar yung, at naalala ko yung gano'ng kainis kay Ito. Dahil sobrang sama na ugali niya. Alam mo yung, at first siya yung super hook na hook kay Nishi. He was the hot one. He's the pursuing one. Tapos bigla na lang, tinrap niya ng parang hot potato ang lolo mo. When he thought that it's not normal anymore. So, there. Yun na po ang ating BL at TBTL, walking to my work now. Bye for now.
Gusto ko yung yung manga.
No, I like the,
Especially the ending.
hindi, I like that part of the manga kasi hanggang
Oo.
end talaga ng life nila. But I like how, as usual, nabinigyan ng backstories and all that.
Complete in a way.
Yes. Alam mo talaga kung ano yung bawat aspects and with the family. So,
Bye.
bye-bye!